Order of adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which adds more meaning to a noun. Which adds more meaning to a noun is known as an adjective. So when you are describing a noun, you should use a proper order of adjectives. There should be a proper sequence. And this is the proper sequence to describe a noun. At first place, you should put articles. At the second, determiners. At the third place, it should be condition, or you can use opinion. At the fourth, you can use size or say age. You can use both also. At the fifth, you can use shape or color. At the sixth, you can use material and origin. And at the last, noun, because adjective is placed before a noun only. So when you're describing a noun, you should follow this order. Learn this order, and to learn it, I have made one sentence for you, a very funny one, right? Just to make you remember this sequence. All dancers can't sing sweet melodious note. A stands for article, and here it stands for all. Dancer stands for determiners. C stands for condition. S stands for size or shape. S stands for shape and color. M stands for material and or origin, and N stands for noun. So to remember this sequence, learn this sentence. Learn it. Just say it to yourself daily and you will remember it. So when you are describing a noun, the first place article should come. What are articles? Articles are actually the word used before a noun, and it modifies a noun. As it gives more information in a sentence, it functions as adjective also. It defines whether the noun is used in a specific context or in general context. Articles, they are also part of determiners. Is it clear? What are determiners? Determiners are actually, they are a word that comes before a noun to show how noun is being used. How the noun is being used is known as determiners. There are 4 types of determiners: possessive, demonstrative, quantifiers, and articles. So I told you articles, they are also part of determiners. So but at the first position, when you're describing, articles should come first. After that, you will use determiners in which you use possessive, demonstrative, and if both of them are absent, not the possessive determiner is there, nor demonstrative, then you can use quantifiers. You can use several, many, few, a few. You can use much more. These are all your quantifiers. So you can use, first will be possessive, second will be demonstrative. If both are not there, then use the quantifiers. Is it clear? You can use anyone. Then third should be the condition, and otherwise you can use the opinion. It can be, for suppose the condition is whether it is torn, whether it is tattered, so that is the condition. And opinion, whether it is the person is silly, pretty, lovely, that is your opinion. Then size, which size? Is it big? Is it massive? Is it tiny? What size it is? So, and age, whether it is old, whether it is modern, whether it is ancient, that is your age. Then shape. It can be square, it can be oval, it can be triangular. Which color? Blue, black. There are so many. You can add any color you wish to. Then material. Which material you want? Whether it is cotton, whether it is wool, which material this noun is made up of. Then which origin it comes from, whether it is Japanese, Indian, African. And at the last, noun, because noun comes after adjective only, because you're describing this noun. So this should be the proper sequence. This should be the order to describe a noun. When you're describing a noun, use this sequence of adjective to describe it, because this is the correct sequence, and you can use at least 3 adjectives to describe a noun. Now see, for example, if you're saying that a small pretty cat, this sequence is wrong. Why? See here, you have used the article a, okay, But small is at which place? See the size, it is at fourth place. So you cannot use this because you have used it at the second. So this sequence is wrong. Pretty is at the third position, isn't it? It is your opinion. Okay, then last is your noun. So this is wrong. This one is correct. My pretty small cat. You just tally it. My, you have used the possessive determiner. Then you have used the pretty, that is your opinion. And then noun. So three you have used. 1, 2, 3. Correct. A blue small Japanese doll. Again the sequence is wrong. The correct sequence is a small blue Japanese doll. See the third one. I want to buy red new Japanese beautiful big car. Sequence is wrong. So the correct sequence will be I want to buy a beautiful big new red Japanese car. So once you know the sequence, it will be very easy for you to describe a noun. Learn this order of adjective. So you just keep on repeating to yourself daily. Just match it with the sentence, this rhyming sentence. Ke A stands for articles, D stands for determiner, C stands for condition, S stands for size, S stands for shape, M stands for material and noun. So if you have all these words in your brain, it will be very easy to describe a noun, because simply if you don't know that so many things you can use, you can use it to describe a noun, it will be very difficult for you. Okay, so just learn this order, learn the sequence, learn the sentence, rhyming sentence, a funny sentence for you. All dancers can't sing, so you please note. Keep on saying and just repeat it at least twice or thrice a day, and it will be there. So learn this order and go ahead, describe the sentence using the order.
Don't worry, be happy.